So dividing polynomials with synthetic division. Dividing polynomials with synthetic division is a lot more concise than using long division. So it's going to be the same steps, we're going to get the same answers, just a little more concise. So what it looks like is if I have x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus x squared plus 24x minus 20, which if you watch the long division one, this is the same problem. So divided by x minus 2. X to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus x squared plus 24x minus 20 divided by x minus 2. So what we do is we're going to just take the thing that we're trying to see if it goes in, the factor that we're trying to see if it goes in. We write that with a little box right here. So since it's x minus 2, it's kind of like a 0. Like the zeros is what would make the 0 when x is a positive 2. Okay, so we're saying does 2 go into this, a 0 of 2. So we just take the coefficients now. So just 1, negative 6, 1, 24, and negative 20. We write them, and then I'm going to leave a line. Leave a line right here and draw a line underneath. So we start off by first bringing down the 1, and then we do 1 times 2 is 2, and we put it right here. And then we add these up. Negative 6 and 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. 1 plus negative 8 is negative 7. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. 24 and negative 14 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Okay, so now this is the same coefficients. If you watch the long division one, these are the coefficients of the quotient that we had gotten. So notice, since it's like we're dividing x to the fourth by x, we're going down to x cubed. So now instead of this being x to the fourth, this is 1x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10. So we're just going down by a degree. This 0 here, it would be, if there was a number, it'd be a remainder, whatever, remainder 0, I don't really need it. So again, this tells me that x minus 2 times x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals my original x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus x squared plus 24x minus 20. So if I multiplied this out, I would get my x to the fourth polynomial. So notice, a lot quicker than the long division. It's all the same steps, it's just dealing with just the coefficients. And that was kind of quick. I would encourage you to watch it a few times so you get those steps down. It's kind of one of those things. Once you get the hang of it, it'll make sense and you'll be able to do it quickly. Okay, how about x cubed minus 11x plus 12 divided by x minus 3. Again, second example I did in the long division video. Again, watch out right here, x cubed, there's no x squared, so I have to insert a 0x squared term here. Okay, so the 0 is going to be 3. We're trying to see, does 3 go into this? Coefficient of 1, 0, negative 11, 12. There's my cube, squared, x, constant. So to see if 3 is a 0 of this polynomial, I can do this. 1 times 3 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 11 and 9 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 12 and negative 6 is a positive 6. Not a 0 remainder. So this tells me, kind of the thing I'm going to want to usually get out of this is that x minus 3 is not a factor of the polynomial. But if what this says though is that I'd have x, I was at cube, now I'm down to squared, 1x squared plus 3x minus 2 with a remainder of 6. This would be my quotient, this would be my remainder.